Are you tired of delays and complications during construction projects? Managing these issues can feel overwhelming and frustrating, installing your progress and increasing costs. Introducing PEB Erection, your ultimate solution for streamlined construction. Our innovative pre-engineered building systems are designed to save you time and money while ensuring high-quality results. With our reliable, durable designs, you can tackle even the most complex projects with ease. From factories to warehouse, we provide everything you need to get the job done efficiently and effectively. When completing your projects faster, all while minimizing expenses and maximizing quality, our team of experts will guide you through the entire process, ensuring a smooth execution from start to finish. To know more details, contact us today to get free consultation, or visit our website link in description. Don't forget like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.